How to attach a photo to email on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a photo to an email using your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Alright, first open up the Mail app on your iPhone. In the bottom right corner, tap the Compose button to start a new email. Now go ahead and type in the email address of the person you want to send it to. Add a subject at the top, and you can also write your message in the body of the email if you want. To attach a photo, look just above your keyboard and tap the paperclip icon. From the menu that pops up, choose Photo Library. Now just scroll through your camera roll and select the photo you want to send. Once you tap it, it'll be added right into the email. When you're ready, tap the Send button in the top right. After that, your email with the photo will be sent off. And that's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Catch you in the next one.